Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you what are the types of testings is there. Means many people will asking what are the types of testings is available, and I will see for our experience. New people will ask me there is a different types of testings available. Can you please elaborate all the things and you can explain to me? Okay, that is only I will show you this video. Yeah, first of all, types of testing. Types of testing. First one, the most of the time present you can use for every testing methodologies. Agile only. Agile methodology. Okay. The testing types. First one is functional testing. Functional testing or manual testing. The many people will told in as a future manual testing is not there. Don't think that way. Still manual testing is running. Without manual testing, you're not able to do for the automation. And the automation is not completed. I am not able to do the performance testing. I'm not able to do the security testing. And DevOps team also is not able to proceed to the next level. Okay, and development team also you need for the functional testing you need to check each and every build releases. You need to find out the what are the technical issues is there. The manual testing is running for very high key role. That reason manual testing is never removed for the any software industry. Okay, please don't take any doubts, manual testing still running. You need to learn, but you need to learn with good knowledge. That is the important. Okay. um, Manual testing point of view, best tools is okay. First preference. Only I will tell you as a present job market, which one is the best preference one. Means most of the jobs is available. ALM and Jira, and you need to learn to the Oracle server, Oracle database. Yeah, that is enough. ALM is the test management tool. Jira is the bug tracking. Database is the Oracle database. It is enough, and you need to learn to the all functional testing concepts. How we need to way of testing. What are the types of unit testing? You need to test to the accessibility testing, monkey testing, all the things you need to learn. Okay, this is for the functional testing. Okay, functional testing means you need to check the business flows, each and every step by step you need to check. That is only functional testing. On the same time, each build also you need to test all the business flows and integration testings, browser compatibility testing, and on the same time each browser how will be working, different browsers. Example, IE browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. These all four browsers how you need to able to work. You need to check. And same application you need to open to the desktop, uh, laptop, mobile, tablets. Okay, how the fixes will be working, each and everything you need to check. That is for the functional testing. This video is major role is overall for uh, the testing. Okay, how many types of testing, and what is the way of working you need to do for the industry. Okay, this is the first one as a functional point of view. Second one, automation testing. Okay, this is the automation testing. Automation testing means same only as a functional testing team will be written to the all the test cases, everything you need to given. Automation team what you need to do now, all the test cases you need to example, there are 1,000 test cases is there. Every build you need to all the test cases you need to check. That is mandatory work, you need to check. But you that is not possible to the human. Okay, it will take long time, you need to check all the things, the many resources you need. This is lot of issues is there. That reason only you will coming to the automation is coming to the picture. The automation tool, what you need to do now, all the test cases, uh, you need to prepare one script, all the test cases you need to automate it. Just bill will release it, just you can click on run, that's all. The tool only, everything will be validated, even provided the final report. Based on report only, you need to validate it. The time will be taken very less. Example, 2-3 days will be taken only for just for 1 hour only. The test everything will be completed. But most of the time, what will happen in automation? Some test cases is not possible to automate it. There is many reasons, as a organization restrictions, otherwise the specific application is not supported to the what are the tool you need to use, that is a licensed tool or open source. Sometimes licensed tools also is not supported, some applications, some specific test cases is not working. Okay, that situations you need to take manually only, the manual team only need to take at the test cases. Example, 100 out of 95 test cases you need to automate it, but 5 test cases you need to hand over the manual team only. Every build, the test cases you need to mandatory, you need to check. Okay, major tool, you can remember everyone what are the people you need to watch this video. What I will told in this video, that is the only for based on my experience and job job market point of view. That one only I will tell you. There is many tools. Example, functional testing also many tools is there as a open source license, all the things. But majorly in company, what is the using means my point of view. I need a job. Okay, first preference, you need a job. That reason only I will tell you this one. In automation testing, Selenium. Okay, Selenium tool. This is the most popular automation tool. At the same time, this tool will be using now as a banking sector also will using Selenium only. Okay, our cost reducing purpose. UFT is a license. That is only you can use the Selenium. Okay, most of the people, please you need to learn to the Selenium, your future bright purpose, and you can get the good job of any best organization. Okay, just as my own session only. After third one, performance testing. Okay, performance testing is totally example, manual and automation both are functional testing. Okay, this is the manual you need to do functional testing side, but performance testing is totally non-functional, is not a functional. Okay, performance testing, what you need to do, that application you need to check the response time from different types of load testings. Example, load testing, stress testing, endurance testing, spike testing, volume testing, and scalability testing, and reliability testing. This all the types of testings in running the server under test, and you can get the how much of response you will give into your application. Okay, that is only you need to check the performance testing. Okay, major tools in performance testing, you can use the Apache JMeter. Yeah, load runner also is there, but Apache JMeter is highly preferred. Okay, yeah, you have really interested, you need to learn for all the tools also, anyone never question to you. But the open source point of view, all the companies present looking for clients also. Okay, clients also will looking for only open source tools. The employee need to knowledgeable, and you need to able to do the any type of task to open source tools. That type of peoples only the company also will recruit it. Okay, that reason only I need to mention to the most of the time open source only for manual only. ALM is the license only, but most of the companies will take in many projects. I will see ALM only is highly preferred. The reason, the projects is very long projects and large projects, and you need to maintain all the data through ALM only, and everyone is familiar with ALM. That reason only ALM will be easy. Okay, performance testing Apache JMeter. You need to learn Apache JMeter is very easy, and you need to learn Java, and Oracle database, or MongoDB, or PostgreSQL, and the scripting JavaScript, Bean Shell, Groovy also you need to learn. Okay, one of the performance testing, one of the best tool for Apache JMeter. Okay, many projects also you need to get it. After security testing. Security testing, as a security point of view, most of the people will like for the tool is Burp Suite. Okay, Burp Suite is a tool, is a open source. Yeah, many tools is there. Example, Kali Linux also is available as a hacking. You need to check for all the things is the security breaches is there or not your application point of view. And you need to generate the payload. You can use for the Postman tool also. You need to able to do. But as a budget rule point of view, you need to learn to the Burp Suite. You can get many jobs is there. And some little bit of you need to learn as a cybersecurity expert point of view. You need to learn to the as a programming language also you need to learn, and some scripting languages is available, you need to learn that one in purpose point of view. That time only you are the expert for the in security testing point of view. Not only security testing, your cyber security level you need to able to provide all the details to the clients. Means the clients will expect in that range. Okay, I mean, I will explain all the things only for how the clients will expect into the as a software engineer. Yeah, everyone is a software engineer as a 1 year, 2 years, 3 years experience people also as a software engineer. But you are the that field, you are the toppest level, higher knowledge persons. You need to learn that much range only. Okay, you need to do hard work. That time only you can get the success. Okay, yeah, this is uh, the testing types. Most of the projects will using for agile methodology, and present latestly will some projects will be using BPT process. BPT means business process testing. Business process testing. Almost same only for agile methodology, but some banking organizations will using for BPT process. Compared to agile, some little bit fast. Okay, almost same only. There is no any difference. You can take this is the priority one, agile methodology. Okay, I'm working from the agile methodology. Okay, that's is enough. Agile methodology means they do not have any time waste. Development that time only, testing that time only need to do. Example, development one side is going on, you will release the build, and the testing is one side is going on, and the next build will come and testing is going on. They do not have any time waste. The previous days how will we do now? First development team will complete all the things and hand over to testing, and the development team is waiting for the testing team. Testing team also will take long time, and you need to complete all the testing, and you will share the report. It is a lot of time waste is going on. But coming to the latest days, is everything agile methodology is working very good. This methodology is only one of the best methodology. Okay, at the same time, worldwide mostly popular methodology also agile only, and Kanban process also is there. But compared to agile, agile is the first preference. Okay, and yes, guys, this is the two types of testings. One is a functional. Functional means uh, manual testing and automation testing. Second one, non-functional means performance and security testing. This is the two types of testings only is going on. There are plenty of tools is available, but I will explain this short video. Just the overall one I will given, and based on my experience, what are the tools I will see. Example, my personally, many projects I will see ALM is coming, Selenium will come, JMeter will come, Burpsuit will become. Okay, these methodologies, processes will become. That is only I will explain these tools. You have compared to me the higher experienced people. Okay, is not a problem. You see many testing types, and methodologies you need to do, many tools also you need to work. Okay, just based on my experience I will elaborate it to you, and just you can get one idea about how the testing tools, how the industry need to work. Okay, as a recruitment point of view, my suggestion, you need to learn. For example, you are an automation tester, yeah, you need to learn Selenium, and you need to learn the JMeter also. The reason is, as a Selenium person, automate all the test cases, and you need to test the API testing. Okay, API testing, most of the clients will asking JMeter. Okay, JMeter is not only performance testing, he is able to do the API testing with the single user load. You need to run it and you can get the response. Okay, the test cases also will provide it. And the same time, as a JMeter, as a performance tester, you need to learn to the Selenium. The reason, JMeter you need to test all the performance testing. Sometimes Selenium scripts you need to execute it. Example, some business flows, browser automation testing. Some business flows based on browser only will execute it. The browsers, Apache JMeter, Selenium, WebDrivers available. Components. You need to add to the components to JMeter, and that Selenium scripts you need to directly execute it to the. You need to add the jar files, all the things, setups, everything will be done for backend, and you need to execute it through JMeter, and you need to get the response how the that application will be coming. Okay, some situations will be asked. That is, you need to learn Selenium also. Okay, both are interconnected, and these two people, as the automation and performance, you need to connect it to the ALM. The reason, automation person is normally connected to the manual team. As a performance tester also, you need to connect to the automation team and manual team. It's is a, on the same time, security point of view, security team will connect to the total three teams. Example, you need a project, you have the working to the Bubso tool, and the security testing point of view, you will check many parameters, not only one or two. Okay, security breaches will happen means is not a hacking that one. There's a lot of things is available in our backend is working. Okay, many teams is working. That reason, first you need to contact the performance team. What are the settings you need to do for them under server, as application point of view, what type of test you need to run. On the same time, in my experience, okay, I'm doing one project through JMeter. I need to run the test around 10,000 user load. Okay, is morning as a time from IST. Same burp suit used to UK. There is some other team, same project. Security testing will doing. The problem will become, I will run the test. This people is not able to execute the single test also. Is not able to generate the payload. Payload means it not considered the load testing. Load testing is different, payload is different. Okay, both are different only, but same application I am doing JMeter to run the load testing, and burp suit used to that people will generate the payload. Is both are almost same only. Okay, you can get this one tool knowledge automatically. Next tool is interconnected. Okay, this is one of the business flow type. As agile methodology, functional interconnected to the automation, automation connected to the performance, performance connected to the security. Security will connect directly to development. Okay, this place anywhere one point will be struck, remaining all the teams is waiting for your answer. Okay, that is then before coming to the industry or the people is already working in the employees in projects. Okay, please be learn perfectly. Practically you need to learn how we need to able to do. Example, the project will given to the individually to you. You only one person you need to handle. Yes, you need to able to take care. That much range you need to learn. At the same time, everyone you need to learn little bit for coding also. Okay, everything you don't ask to your team leads, managers, or team members, anyone. You never question to you. First of all, you need to learn how you need to ask the questions to Google. You can ask the question, your doubts, and get the information, and you need to understand, and you need to proceed your work. Okay, This is only guys today. I will share this detail to you. Okay, this is the major tools: ALM, Selenium, JMeter, Burpsuit. And one thing you need to remember, I never tell to you is the license tools is a waste. Okay, every tool, our tool value is there. Okay, I never question that one. But most of the companies and clients will prefer, and projects also present situation will asking, many projects is available in open source tools only. Okay, this point you need to remember your brain. Okay, open source that much of demand. Okay, you need to learn this one. Yeah, you need to interested, you can learn to the license everything. I never question anyone, but you need to learn your tools point of view. Open source tools also you need to mix it your resume. That time only you can get good job, and you need to get the many projects, you need to work it. Okay, thanks guys, this is my information I will provide it to you. You can like my channel, please. You need to subscribe and share your friends. My channel name is Gauri Shankar Software Engineer 1. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.